Hello you guys, we're back in my bathroom. No eyebrows, no makeup, because we are gonna try something new. So after I did my last video with the brow stamps, I was on this eyebrow kick because I'm like, you know what, these are fun. Amazon has lots of fun eyebrow stuff. So I thought it'd be fun to go on there and just see what else they had. And I came across eyebrow tattoo stickers. Yep, that's right. These are basically like the kids' tattoos, temporary tattoos that you put on, which I have one on right here. These are for your eyebrows. So now they don't come with a whole lot. There's no directions. It says there's 6 sheets. There's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pairs on each sheet, and you get 6. It says safe, waterproof, easy to use. I'll be the judge of that. And I did get the color black because like my eyebrows are pretty non-existent right now, but they are very dark. And the other color was like a brown, and I never know with the brown, sometimes you get like a reddish tint to it, and I did not want that. So I decided to go with the black. So yeah, you get the 6 sheets. And then on the back, it has like a picture of the brows as well. It says image for fixing position. So I'm assuming like you cut it and then you put it on like this, and then it kind of just shows you like where they're gonna be or what they're gonna look like. All right, let's go on. I'm just gonna go on and see what it says about them, and I'll tell you how much they were. They were super cheap. I will link this specific one down in the description box if you guys are interested in trying them out. 6 sheets, 4D hair-like waterproof eyebrow tattoo stickers, eyebrow transfer stickers, temporary brow tattoo, peel off eyebrow sticker in arch style for women and girls. Alrighty then. So they're $7.99. I got the high arch. There's a classic style, a delicate style, and I just thought that these looked, I don't know, they look nothing like my brow, so I don't know why I got these, I just did. The reviews aren't great. It's got 3.5 stars, but it's got 3,700 reviews. I don't know, like the pictures look really good on some of the reviews. So this girl said she's undergoing chemotherapy and have lost all her brows, and she put them on and they look amazing on her. Like they look like really natural. I have high hopes. So like I said, I don't have any makeup on. All I do have on, so since they're like tattoos, I wanted to make sure that my face was completely clean and kind of oil-free, so I did just wash it. I did put a little bit of this stuff on. This is 50 plus Sun Project water cream. I don't know, I found this stuff at Costco, you guys, and I love it. It's just like a 50 SPF moisturizer basically, and I love it. I use this as my daily moisturizer during the day. And then I also did put on a little bit of this L'Oreal True Match concealer because my husband was in the ER the other night and I did not get a lot of sleep, and I'm still trying to catch up on sleep. So I needed to cover up the dark circles under my eyes. So let's get into this. I think what I'm gonna do here is just cut them. So here is the sheet, and I'm just going to cut the brows off here. And then I think what I'm gonna do is kind of like cut them, like trim them. Okay, so this is them. I don't think I could just go, well, actually, can you imagine? I don't know how this is gonna work. So I think what I'm gonna do is just kind of cut around like pretty close to the hair. And then once I put it on, hopefully it won't be that noticeable. It even has that one little hair like right here. It does look it looks very natural. So I am so curious to see what these things are gonna look like on and how they last. So my plan is to get them on and then do my makeup, and then kind of do like a wear test for you guys, see how long these bad boys last. And some of the reviews I did read was saying that like you can kind of see like the tattoo part on the edge, and so you can take some makeup like powder and kind of cover it with that. So I'm very, very curious to see how this works. I tried to cut them like super close to the hair so that there wouldn't be a lot of extra like material. So I'm guessing you just kind of peel these off, peel this off, and then is it sticky? It's just a little bit sticky. Let me get a wet thing. And I don't know if I mentioned, I think I mentioned it, that they did not come with any directions. 0 directions. Like I have no idea what to even do. I'm just assuming that these are like other temporary tattoos where you just put it on, get it wet, and then peel it off. So no directions. That's one downfall so far. Okay, so I am going to get this placed. Maybe. Okay. Oh my gosh. Like I don't know how far over to go. These look huge compared to my brows. Okay. I mean, what does that look like? Is it too low? Is it... So I wonder if I should place this one too and do them at the same time. Oh dear goodness gracious. Even? Okay, those are not even at all. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, I'm really scared. All right, let's just do it. So this is just a little wet gauze pad thingy, and I'm just holding this on here. No idea for how long. Yeah, right, let's see if it's ready. Oh my gosh, this is terrifying. Okay. That looks like real hair. Okay, let's do the other one. Moment of truth. Pray that these bad boys are even. I mean, okay, so there's a little piece like right here, like you can definitely see. Okay, you guys, these look like real hair. And then like even right, oh no, that's fake. I thought that was my brow. This is trippy. Okay, so you can just kind of see down at the bottom, you can kind of see that it's like a, you know, like a tattoo. Oh dear, like right here, looks like it's kind of raised. What is happening? You know what? I feel like that is like where my real eyebrow is, and it's kind of like bubbling a little. This is trippy, you guys. These look like real hair. What? Oh my gosh, here, I'm just gonna go like this and zoom in so you guys can like really see them up close. The detail is insane. What? And I don't know how they look on camera, but like they're a bit shiny. So I did read a review that someone said to kind of put a little powder on them, so I am gonna try to do that. I feel like, are they crooked? All right, now I'm just gonna do my makeup like I normally would and avoid these, obviously, and then maybe just add a little bit of powder to them. And then I'll be back and we'll discuss things. Now I'm actually going to take some of this number 7 finishing powder. It's completely broken because I need to get a new one, but this is what I use kind of for my powder. So I'm just going to try putting a little bit of this on top of the eyebrow and see if that helps with the shininess. Oh, I don't think that was a good idea. Oh dear. Okay, shit. Abort, abort, abort. Don't do the powder. Okay, yeah, don't do the powder like that. Shoot. Okay, if you do powder, wipe it off like very, very lightly, like nothing, hardly anything on your brush. Back to the makeup. You can't even see what this is. These are all products I use on the daily, so I will put everything down in the description box if you guys are interested in anything that I'm using. I think this is from Wet n Wild. I honestly do not know because I can't read it. It's completely worn off. Okay, the makeup is on. I don't know what is showing up for you guys, but like there are a couple spots like right here. You can really see. I wonder if I could just peel that part back. If you see a spot that kind of looks unnatural, I think you can kind of like peel it off. It's mostly just showing up like where there's no eyebrow. For the most part, I think they look really pretty. And also, you guys, I am, if you're new to my channel, I'm over 40, and so everything that I use like on my face is all kind of like over 40 friendly. So I will put everything in the description box because sometimes I get questions on like what skincare I use and whatnot. And anywho, okay, I will put all that down below. But I must say, I kind of really like these. Obviously, you don't want to get too close because you can kind of tell, but in the shiny factor, I can't tell if they look shiny on the camera or if it's just through my mirror. I'm curious to see some people in real life and see what they think. I will definitely do a check-in. I'm probably going to do a few check-ins. I kind of want to see how long they last. And then I will, I'll check in tonight, and yeah, I guess we'll just see how it goes. But I would say so far, so good. I actually really like how these look. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, hello you guys. It is about, I don't even know what time it is, like 6 o'clock tonight. I still have makeup on, and this is what they look like up close. So, I mean, they're not horrible, but there's definitely like some spots here. They definitely look a little weird, and I actually just took a bath and they feel kind of sticky now. I don't know. So I'm gonna carefully remove my makeup and try not to mess with these, and then we'll see how they look in the morning. We shall see. Okay, so no makeup on, don't judge, but this is what they look like. This is, I slept on them. I'm like shocked, guys. What on earth? So they look really good. Yeah, so I slept in them. I slept with them. I washed my face this morning. I'm gonna continue wearing them. I probably won't even wear makeup today, but yeah, I'm pretty shocked actually at, sorry, I can't stop staring at them. But I will keep updating you guys and let you know just how long they last. Okay, so they are looking rough. This is going to be my last check-in. This is day 3. Look at this one. So I think what's happened is that's my real eyebrow, like right here. And then above it, I want to say that's all tattoo. They're very sticky. So yeah, they say they're good for swimming. I would not trust these things swimming. I showered last night They're super sticky, like up here. All right, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna start messing with them, and then I'm going to take them off with some rubbing alcohol, because that's how I take off, like, not that I wear temporary tattoos all the time, but my kids do. I actually have a little frog or something on my arm right now. Anywho, that is normally how I take their tattoos off, so I figure these are tattoos as well, so that's what I'm gonna do. Fingers crossed it doesn't rip out any of my eyebrows, because I don't have that many left. Yeah, they're definitely looking rough. I would say before I take them off, because once I take them off, I'm signing off, because you guys don't want to see that again. Okay, so if you don't plan on showering for a while, go for it. If you don't plan on washing your face, which, okay, I did wash my face a couple times and I just avoided them. So, I mean, it's doable, but if you're gonna get your face wet or get these things wet at all, they get super sticky. And I don't know that there's a way around that. I mean, at this point, like, there's really no saving them. I could probably try to fill them in, but why bother? So I just want to take them off. I mean, they were definitely fun. They definitely looked cool, and it gave me kind of an idea of maybe what my eyebrows would look like if I got them microbladed, possibly. Which, if you guys have any comments about that, advice, like pros, cons about microblading, let me know, because I've been thinking about doing it for a while. I'm just nervous because I have 0 tattoos on my body, and I don't know, that just scares me. So if you guys have any advice, let me know. We are going to take these off. We'll see how easy they come off, and then I will see you guys on my next video. I'm just using like a little gauze pad and then this rubbing alcohol. Oh, that comes off very, very easy. Easy. It definitely wipes off easy, so you don't have to worry about that, and it didn't rip any of my other eyebrows off. So, all right, we'll see you all next time.